All right, Joe, here it is. The frozen hot chocolate, the peppermint blizzard. Hello, MAMMALS. Bob the Raptor here, and today I am with Joe. Hey, how y'all doing? And, hey, Joe. Yeah, Bob? I was thinking for today's video, maybe we could go to, Dairy Queen and get some of their seasonal favorites. Oh, you mean they got like Christmas burgers and fries and stuff? Not exactly. Oh, Bob, are we gonna be like reviewing ice cream? Yep. And maybe some iced coffee too. All right. Well, as I said, there ain't no meat or cheese involved in this, so I'm not a ton excited. Come on, Joe. All right, Bob, let's do it.
Hi, Willowick OH. How can I help you today?
Hi. I wanted to get the peppermint hot cocoa blizzard.
Maybe small or medium?
Let's do a small.
Okay, what else?
And also, do you have the cold hot chocolate?
Yeah, the frozen hot chocolate?
Yeah.
What size?
Let's do a small on that one.
Alright, anything else?
And neither of those, just out of curiosity, neither of those have like caffeine in them at all, do they?
No.
Okay. Well, he's gonna want something else. Yeah. I want to get a cheeseburger.
Okay.
And that'll do it.
$9.47.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
All right, Joe, I am back. All right, well, let's look at these dudes. All right, Joe, here it is. The frozen hot chocolate, the peppermint blizzard. Do any of these got caffeine in them? No. All right. But I figured your response would be something like that, so I got you a cheeseburger. Oh. Well, that's very nice of you, Bob. Thank you. First, let's try the frozen hot chocolate. Go for it, Bob. Oh, wow. I definitely appreciate this. This is not like, the paradox that it seems of hot, cold chocolate. Like, it is like, it actually does taste like, it does not taste like just chocolate ice cream or a chocolate shake. It just tastes like a, like a genuine, like one of those carnation hot chocolate things. Really, really good. Joe? Yeah, this is really good. I meant the frozen hot chocolate. Oh yeah, right. I'm gonna try that, dude. Well, what do you think, Joe? It's all right. I mean, it tastes like a chocolatey, cold chocolatey shake drink to me. Again, I don't really understand the nuance of like hot chocolate versus cold chocolate. It's definitely cold chocolate. Joe, that is not, you know what? Never mind. What do you say? You want to move on to the blizzard? Go for it, dude. Oh, wow. I'm definitely tasting more peppermint in here than chocolate. It is like chocolate ice cream based, although like more of a milk chocolate and like peppermint. It's really good. Joe, what do you think? You want to get over here? Oh yeah, this is real good. Joe. Oh yeah, the blizzard. Right. Oh wow. This is sweet. This don't taste like chocolate. It don't taste like ice cream. It just tastes like peppermint. So, do you like it? How much caffeine does it got in it? None. What kind of ABV does it have? 0. Nope, not a fan. I think this is good. I do enjoy the peppermint. That is a fun and unique flavor, kind of unique to the holidays. I just I just enjoy this. This is not something we can get year round at Dairy Queen. I just love this. This is awesome, Bob. I thought, you know what? Oh, all right. All right, so Joe, final thoughts? Well, since neither that chocolate peppermint blizzard nor the hot chocolate thing, didn't have no meat, didn't have no cheese, and didn't have no alcohol or caffeine in it, it's kind of not for me. Again, perfectly fine for what it is. Now, if you were to add some meat, cheese, or caffeine or alcohol to it, it'd be nice. Like, I could see myself very much putting some coffee prey in that iced hot chocolate thing, and it'd be nice. But as such, I'm going to abstain. Not give a claws up or a claws down rating on these. Fair enough. I am definitely going to have to give both of these a claws up. I definitely enjoyed the peppermint flavor. If you see this and you are expecting the peppermint chocolate blizzard, if you are expecting a more chocolatey flavor, you may be disappointed. Like I said, it is very, very peppermint heavy in the taste. Again, I really did enjoy the cold hot chocolate. That was very good. Like I said, I just expected it to be like a chocolate shake, but it actually does capture that feeling very well. So yeah, claws up on both of these for me. And I really did like their cheeseburger. I know that's slightly outside the scope of this video. That's why I got it. Anyway, if y'all like this video, then please like and subscribe. Yeah, and if you have a question or a comment or a place you'd like to see us go in the future, let us know in the comments below. Yeah, Bob over here is the one who answers all the comments. And also, don't forget we have a live stream every Thursday and Saturday at 7 p.m. Eastern Time. And also, if you are interested in a little less family-friendly content helmed by me, we do have channel memberships for as little as 2 paper rectangles a month. That gives you exclusive access to outtakes and some videos and live streams not for hatchlings. So, thank you for watching and have a great day.